The Cabinet on Tuesday has approved the construction of a medical skill hub in West Garo Hills district. Talking to reporters after the Cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that this project was initiated in 2020 with the idea to train medical skill for paramedical staff. According to the Chief Minister, a large-scale skill centre would be set up in West Garo Hills district, adding that the Ministry of Minority Affairs is funding this particular project. He also informed that the initial instalment of funds for this project has already been released.
The idea was to have a medical skill for paramedical staff. A large-scale skill center would be set up in West Garo Hills district. And the reason West Garo Hills was selected was because the Minority Affairs, which is funding this particular Hunar hub, only West Garo Hills was the eligible district to get funds under Minority Affairs.